I was sent this jump starter tire inflator to check it out. So I wanted to open it up with you. Let's see what it looks like. It comes in a cool case, carrier case. Velcro shut. That's a hair gauge thingy, and here's the USB-C cord. Let's see what else is in here. A lot of stuff. What? These are so neat to have in your car. It comes with the instruction manual, warranty. Oh snap! Look, we can blow up that basketball. Other little pieces on here. The unit itself is nice and heavy. It's nice. I don't think it's, oh, it is charged up a little bit. Well, it's charged up a lot. So you have the pieces in here where you connect this to blow the tire there. You have this part where you plug this in. Put it here. Plug this in to use for the jumper cables. It has a, oh, I gotta turn it on. It has a light. Here we go. Strobe light. Great for emergencies. Good. It's compact, so you can have it in your car. Put little things in here. This is nice and nice to have. Great for the college kids going off. It easily packs back up inside this neat little case. And you Velcro it shut.